Whenever I travel to the south, one of my favorite things to do is to eat the amazing street food. One such visit to Vizag, I remember, I had this amazing South Indian version of the Gobhi Manchurian, a typical Indianized Chinese recipe that I cannot forget. However, you can't eat that every day, right? It's deep fried. Well, now you can with the Philips air fryer, and here we are with southern flavors of healthy recipes powered by Philips. Let's make a Gobi Manchurian that's healthy and interesting. Well, let's start with the batter first. Around 1 cup refined flour, some salt, and now we will add cornstarch. If you want, in the typical Andhra style, you can add rice flour as well. Let us chop some chilies. Indian food is not complete without love and chilies. So now what I will do is I will take a little bit of this dry flour and put it on the side. Let's add some stock and make a very thick batter. Now let's take our cauliflower, but before we take our cauliflower, we do the most important thing, and that is preheating the air fryer. So we preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 degrees. So now we take our cauliflower. Now the question is, why are we tossing it? We are tossing it so that our batter sticks well. Anytime you feel your batter is slipping, just toss it in dry flour and the batter will not slip. Here you go. What we will now do is add a little bit of oil to our batter. Oil gives it that nice shine. A lot of battered stuff doesn't really work in the air fryer, but the trick here is to make a very thick batter. Now this batter will stay for longer. Now it's time to put it into the air fryer. 10 minutes should be good, but we're not going to waste time. We're going to make the sauce till then. Let's take some ginger. Let's cut it really finely. The finer, the better. And what's Andhra food without chilies, right? A little bit of, actually a lot of chili. Let's take some garlic. Spring onions, again finely chopped. Let's add some ketchup, some chili paste, a touch of soya, little bit of water. Now normally you would add cornstarch to make it thick. Here I will just reduce it for the correct thickness. There you go. Crispy, just like fried. Here you are. Now let's take a tomato. Let's cut it into dices. And in the leftover masala, let's just lightly toss these. A little bit of cauliflower. Cauliflower again. Fried curry leaf. Nice and crispy on the outside, cauliflower perfectly cooked, and the best part is that it is guilt-free. So next time when you have that craving for sinfully tasty, sinfully deep-fried food, you know what to do, right? Just switch on your Philips air fryer, and for more such recipes, log on to healthyrecipe.co.in. I'm waiting there with a lot of recipes. For now, gotta go. Take care.